Hello, welcome to Jinnys. I'm Ginny and this is not a tutorial. This is just a little word of thanks from me, just to say thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. I hope that my tutorials have been massively helpful to you all, and if ever there is anything that you need or you'd really like a tutorial for, just drop it in the comments box. But today I've just come on to give you a quick heads up that I have just started a Facebook page that is where all my tutorials will be, all of my recipes, but it's also a sharing page for everybody as well. It's really nice, it's really interactive. You can go on, you can share your work, you can share work to me that you've done of my tutorials so that I can have a look and others can see as well. It's a really friendly place and be brilliant if you joined. So I will put the link to the Facebook group in the comments box underneath, which you'll see on the little V thing down here in the left hand side. No, your right, my left. Yeah, of the screen. I'd love to see you there. Come along, and I hope to see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.